Hello and welcome to The Process. This week we are in North Week, and during North Week we look at our goals, the things we want to accomplish, and the question this week is, who do you want to be and what do you got to do? And it comes from me finding this book, Art of Living by Epictetus. It's all beat up, as you can see. This translation is by Sharon LaBelle, and I picked it up accidentally. I picked it up because it was a thin book. And before it even starts, like it says the manual. So this is right before like the good stuff starts. And on this page, it says, first say to yourself, what would you be? Then do what you have to do. And it was so simple. And so I asked myself, all right, what do I want to be? And again, when you first ask the question, generally we answer how we are supposed to answer. So with this work, I want you to do stream of consciousness journaling or typing. So you can write pen and paper, or you can use the computer, whatever medium works best for you. But you want to just let everything that's in your head start to show up on the page. You don't want to police yourself. You don't want to think, oh, I need to say this and not that. You just want to start letting everything come through, because then your mind gets the signal that like, oh, everything is fine. So it starts to churn up the subconscious, and underneath all the conscious stuff that you're supposed to do is what you want and what you actually want to do. And we want to get to that. We want to get to the subconscious. So ask yourself, who do you want to be? Answer as many times as possible until you hit that thing, and you will know what it is. I don't know what it is for you, but you'll know when you hit it. And when you hit it, then you ask the second part of the question, which is, what do I got to do? And you want to find a simple task. You want to treat it the same way though. When you ask, what do I have to do? You answer, just like answer everything that comes to your mind. And somewhere in there will be a very simple thing that you can do. And I don't know if you're anything like me, but when I thought, okay, I want to be a better yoga teacher, then I thought, well, what can I do? Then it was like, I need to find this, I need to Google that, I need to go on retreat, I need to this. And again, underneath all of that, there was a book that someone had recommended called Yoga Sequencing. And I thought, okay, let me start there. Let me start by buying this book for like $20, and this will be my step to help me along the journey towards who I mean to be. And it's very simple, and this is not to make these humongous changes in your life. This is to get you a step closer to who you mean to be. So that's this week's work. Ask yourself, who do you want to be? Find out, get underneath all the conscious to the subconscious. And once you find that thing, then ask yourself, what do you got to do? And then give yourself the simplest, most accomplishable task. And that is your work this week. Thank you for being here. I hope that this is useful. And of course, if you find anything interesting and you want to share it with me, I'm all about it. So please share it with me. I would love to hear it. And good luck, and I will see you next week.